Are you in the mood for some nice peel and eat shrimp, but you don't want to go to town, don't want to get fixed up, don't want to head to a restaurant? Well, the answer is cook them at home. And guys, it's a very easy process. It's not hard, but one thing you want to do is start off with a quality shrimp, a wild caught Gulf shrimp. What I have today is some Texas Gold shrimp. So this is texasgoldshrimp.com. They came to me individually, quick frozen, head off, ready to go. These are some extra jumbos. We're gonna cook those up. I'm gonna show you how we do it. It's simple, and you can have those you peel 'em shrimp that you love so much right at your house with a great quality wild caught shrimp. The thing you wanna start off with is a nice pot of boiling water. You want to have it full enough that all of your shrimp will be submerged in it. Now, I already have the juice of 3 lemons and 1 orange in my water, and I have salted it. And now I'm gonna add the rest of my seasonings. So this is a 1/2 cup of Gator Shake from Uncle Steve's Shake. Use your favorite if you want to go and get your favorite brand of crab boil or shrimp boil, you can do that. And next what I'm putting in is a tablespoon of cayenne pepper and a tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning. Drop those in, stir those in well. I'm gonna let it come back to a boil, and then we're gonna add these shrimp. They come to you individually, quick frozen. This is a 2-pound bag, so this is gonna make plenty for my wife and I and my mother-in-law this evening for dinner. But great wild caught shrimp right out of the Gulf, off the coast of Texas, off the coast of Louisiana, deep water shrimp. But that's what you want, that's what the best. I'm boiling again, let's get them in here. And then goes my shrimp. Be careful, water's hot, don't want to splash it on yourself. I got the full 2 pounds in there. And we want to bring these just back, probably the time it starts boiling, they should be ready. They're gonna start turning kind of an opaque color, and they're gonna start curling. Remember, if you go in and look at it, C, your shrimp is cooked, O, your shrimp is overcooked. So that's kind of your clue, but we're gonna let this go in here, gonna stir it. It's got our seasonings in it, it's got some citrus in it, and it has some salt in it. Have another bowl and a colander ready, because when this comes out, we wanna stop this from cooking. My water is starting to come back to a boil, and these shrimp, as you can see, they're starting to curl. We're gonna get those nice C's I was talking about. Remember, C is cooked, O is overcooked. Now, if you wanted these to really soak up some of that heat we've put in there with that cayenne pepper, you could turn this off, let them soak it up. But we're wanting the cold shrimp tonight. We're doing the peel and eat shrimp. So we've got them here. See that one right there? Those are C's. We're gonna put those over into our colander. These shrimp are looking very good. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my gas off. Drop these in. And I'm gonna give you a little secret on how to get these shells to turn loose also. See those C's? They're curled into a C. That means our shrimp are cooked. These are gonna be wonderful tonight with our supper. The Gator Shake works great for shrimp, and so does the Old Bay, and of course a little cayenne for the heat. This is gonna be some fantastic shrimp. We haven't cooked it too long. It's not gonna be tough, because see, they are C's, they are not O's. Our shrimp is out into our container. There we go. That's all of our shrimp. Now, I'm gonna show you the next step, what we're gonna do next, real quick. Our next step is gonna be to cover these shrimp with ice. If you wanted to use an ice bath and plunge them into that, that would work also. But right now, what we're wanting to do is cool that shrimp down. That's gonna help that shell and the meat of that shrimp to separate. While our shrimp is cooling down, I'm gonna tell you one more time, Texas Gold shrimp. They'll ship them straight to your house, right from the Gulf of America to your home. And guys, you can get these big 1620s like I have here. They have them larger, they have them smaller. You can get them shell on, or you can get them already peeled into vein. So however you want them, Texas Gold shrimp is the place to get them. So check out their website, I'll put a link below, and don't forget to tell them Chef Johnny sent you. Now, my shrimp should be cooled off, So let's see if we can get them plated and show you how they turned out. Well, here we go. Our shrimp, took it out of the ice bath, sat in the refrigerator, let it cool off for a while. It's ready to go. It's about supper time. We're gonna get these out. Got a little cocktail sauce, and I'll put a recipe in there for my cocktail sauce. And of course, some squeezed lemons for people that want lemon on that. Gotta have that with it. I'm gonna pull my nice cooked shrimp out, put them on my tray. And again, guys, look, they're a nice C. They are not overcooked, they are cooked shrimp. I'm gonna put them in here so they look good. We can add our cocktail sauce and our lemons in here. Now, if you wanna put them where the tails are up, where somebody can grab them a little bit easier, that is a great way to do it. Now, you can use these for your meal. You can use them for an appetizer, however you want to do it. But I told you I would show you how to peel a shrimp and do it the way I like to do it. So I like to pick one up, kind of grab it by the back end, get hold of that tail, break it, pinch the tail. Now, if you look, see, we've got a nice piece of meat here. Bring over my tray, and we're just going to grab these and we're going to pull them off. Okay? Grab the legs, pull them around. Now there is a beautiful Texas Gulf shrimp. Texas Gold wild caught shrimp. We're gonna give this first shrimp a try. Not gonna put any cocktail sauce on it. I just wanna try it, see how it tastes. Oh yeah. Nice, mild flavor of the shrimp. Folks, if you're trying to cook shrimp and you go, oh, that's fishy, it's because the shrimp hasn't been taken care of. Let me tell you, Texas Gold shrimp, they are individually quick frozen while they're still in the Gulf. So they don't come back to port packed on ice, get here, go a little bit longer, get taken care of. These ships are out a month, 45 days, and they're freezing shrimp as they're caught. They're deheading them and taking care of them right then. So these are well taken care of. They're nice, wonderful flavor, and they are not a fishy, right, type of shrimp, but that is a lovely, tasteful shrimp that came out of our Gulf right off the coast of Texas. Tastes great. Again, grab the tail, pull it, pinch, grab it by the legs, pull the legs and them off. There's another beautiful large shrimp. Get a little cocktail sauce on it. Give this a try. I'm gonna have a link below, and I'm gonna have a discount code below also. If you go there, use the discount code, they're gonna give you a discount on your shrimp. They're gonna ship it straight to your house, and always tell them Chef Johnny sent you from Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. Appreciate you being here. I am Chef Johnny, and we're gonna see y'all down the road. So long, everybody.